A two-day meeting organized by Elanco and the Global Alliance for Livestock Veterinary Medicines under the Managing Animal Health and Acaricides for a Better Africa initiative emphasized the urgent need to address tick-borne disease affecting smallholder farmers. The scientists were informed that many ticks had developed resistance to acaricides, necessitating collaborative efforts to find effective solutions. Dr. Anna Rose Ademun, Assistant Director at MIFE, emphasized the severity of the situation, highlighting that the resistance of acaricides poses a significant threat to livestock health, compelling farmers to resort to stronger pesticides. This not only endangers the well-being of livestock, but also raises concerns about potential health risks for humans.
My guidance is we do zoning of acaricides and we do molecule zoning, and then we do go out together as a country and we change over these acaricides when needed.
Johnson Kengabo, a dairy farmer from Chiboga, shared his perspective on the challenges faced by farmers due to tick-borne diseases. He emphasized the need for proactive measures to mitigate the impact on both livestock and human health.
We as farmers, as farmer groups, I think the message we are taking is to go back and mobilize our farmers and using the Mahaba, the tools which they are giving us and the knowledge to try to equip our farmers with better knowledge on how to use the acaricides, but also how to use the tools.
Mahaba is a shared value initiative designed to help deliver sustainable solutions that help small-scale producers tap full potential of their livestock. The project aims to support small-scale producers in Nigeria and Uganda by defining and implementing strategies to effectively control tick infestations in cattle.
Our focus is on ensuring that small-scale producers actually have access to required medicine to treat their livestock and therefore transform their life through production increases.
We want to empower farmers to make the best out of their livestock.
Supported by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Mahaba initiative aims to register over 33 products and provide training to up to 450,000 farmers by 2026. Dr. Lenaig Halos from the Bill and Melinda Gates reiterated the foundation's commitment to addressing this critical issue and supporting sustainable solutions for livestock health in Africa.
Contribute to preserving the ability to treat with the current acaricides by providing innovative solutions, animal health solutions, and professionalizing solutions to small-scale farmers to improve the use of the current acaricide.